Did you know 90% of people abandon their dreams? And do you know why? Because of one failure, just one time. Are you part of that 90%? Are you becoming the person who one day stand in the front of the mirror and ask themselves, why did I give up? Was your dream done that week or were you? Listen, your failure is not the end. It's just one chapter, not the whole story. You fell down good because failing proves you took a risk, you showed up, and those 90% sitting on sidelines, they're just watching. You are in the game, and those people who laughed at you, who said you'll never make it, their job is to talk, your job is to prove them wrong. But let me ask you something real. When you think about quitting, what exactly are you choosing? You're choosing the version of yourself that stays small, that stays safe, that wake up every single morning with that heavy feeling in your chest. You know the voice that whisper, you should have kept going. That voice doesn't go when you obey quit. It gets louder. It follows you to every dinner table, every birthday, every quiet Sunday night when the world slows down and your mind has nowhere left to hide. That's the real price of quitting, not the failure, the knowing that you had something inside you and you waked up from it. I want you to picture something. It's 2 a.m. The room is dark, the house is quiet, and there are persons sitting at a desk or on the floor or just staring at the ceiling. They've been rejected again, told no again, fell short again. Every rational voice is saying, maybe this isn't for you. And it's that moment. Nobody sees them. No crowd, no applause, no motivational music playing in the background. Just them and a decision. The moment right there, that 2 a.m. moment, that where is champion are actually made. Not on the stage, not on the highlight reel, not in the interview where they talk about their journey. In that dark room, in that silence, in that decision to get back up when absolutely nobody is watching. That's the moment that separates the ones who wake up from the one who almost did. You think successful people got lucky? That they just floated straight to the top. No struggle, no dark night, no rock bottom. Wrong! Jay-Z got rejected by every major record label. Every single one. They told him no. They told him his sound wasn't right. His style was marketable. So he built his own label, created his own empire, and become one of the greatest to ever do it. You think he never doubted himself? You think there wasn't a night where he sat alone and wondered if there was night? Of course there was. The difference is they didn't let the night become his whole story. He kept going, and the world had no choice but to listen. Here's that nobody tells you about the journey. The pain compounded. Every rejection stuck on the last one. Every failure adds weight. Every person who doubts you adds another brick to the well you are crying. And there comes a point where the weight is so heavy you genuinely don't have if you can take one more step. You are tired, not just physically, deeply tired, the kind of tired that sleep doesn't fix. And that's exactly where most people stop, right there, one step before that breakdown, one step before the breakthrough. Because life tests you hardest right before it rewards you. The pressure you are feeling, that's not a sign to stop, that's a sign you are close. The darkest hour, it always just before dawn. Ask anyone who made it, they'll tell you to something. I almost quit right before everything changed. But hear this, the problem is not failure, the problem is what you do after it. Do you clap or do you stand back up and say, I'm not done it? Winners fail, losers fail too. The only difference is the response. Winners say again, losers say I'm not. Losers say I'm out. Which one of you? Let me tell you what really happens when people quit. It's not just a dream that dies. In the version of themselves they were becoming. Where you are in the fight, pushing through the hard days, refusing the quiet. You are building something, not just business, not just a skill, not just a result. You are building a person who knows that can be trusted, who know when life gets hard, they don't fold. That's the real price. Not the money, not the fame, not the achievement, the knowledge. Deep in your bones, that's what someone who finished that they start. The person, the one you are foregoing right now, they carry that into everything They carry that into everything, every relationship, every challenges, every room they walk into, and people feel it. There's something different about someone who's been through the fight and come out the other side. That's who you are becoming right now in this struggle. Don't waste it. Building hot. When the world say you can't do this, you go silent and get the work. When people mock them, they get hungrier. When life knock them down, they don't stay on the floor, they get up, they dust themselves off and they double down because they understand one truth. Nobody is coming to save you, no one, it's just you and your next move. Your failure is not your identity. Your response is your identity. So decide right now, are you going to stay down on the floor? Or you're going to get up and write your own history? Because real defeat is not failure. Real defeat is the moment you choose to quit. So get up, try again, and this time show the world exactly that you are made of.